Over there is a 2005, I'll be right in, Armstrong-Air, and then in 1980s Janitrol, Goodman. I think they're 2 tons. Here's one of my best friend's reams, 4-ton, oversized for his house. And a ream gas furnace, which is a 90% from 1998, as well as a condenser, is running. Yeah, I can't get back there really. So yeah, they're straight cool units matched up with gas furnaces. Armstrong-Air's gas furnace, I think, is way up in the attic because I see some flue pipes coming out of the attic. The ream gas furnace is louder than crap, let me tell you. Hold on. What? What? Hold on, I'll be right over. The Janitrol, right down there, they're both noisy. I'll be right there. They're noisy in the summer when they run. And yeah. Where? There? Wow, it doesn't do anything? Okay, well, yeah, you see it. Armstrong-Air. Piece of junk, I'm thinking. My HVAC technician told me they're pieces of garbage, so I don't know. Like airflow. It's a 10 SEER though. Okay,